Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Angular momentum makes this quick. Stack an identical still disk onto a spinning disk, and the shared speed drops in a clean way. Because friction about the vertical axis is negligible, there's essentially no external torque on the two-disk system, so total angular momentum stays constant the whole time. Watch this. At the start, only the original disk spins, so the system's angular momentum is I omega 0. The second identical disk is dropped in with 0 angular speed, contributing nothing initially.
After they stick, both disks rotate together, so the total inertia is 2I.
Well done. Option B, scan now, trap, rushing and forgetting conservation. Rule, trust the given identical disks, then check each step carefully.